In today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw from Exness to a bank account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then you'll be taken to your personal area where you can manage your trading accounts, deposits, and withdrawals. From your dashboard, locate the withdrawal option. You can see it in the left side area and hover on the payments and wallets, click the drop down menu, and there you have the withdrawal option. You can also select the withdraw button here on your account. If you click on it, what will happen is Exness will display all available withdrawal methods based on your region and account settings. You may see options such as Binance Pay, Maya, Gcash, Neteller, Skrill, StickPay, or you can transfer between your accounts. But in this case, we are going to use an online bank transfer. Now, let me tell you this. If you have multiple trading accounts, select the account you want to withdraw funds from. Make sure the account contains sufficient available balance for the withdrawal amount you want to request. And then, of course, you need to enter the amount you'd like to withdraw. Double check the currency being used and review any minimum withdrawal requirements that may apply. Some regions may also display estimated processing times and potential banking fees. And if required, enter or confirm your bank information, including your account holder name, bank name, account number. Ensure all details match your bank account records to avoid delays or rejected withdrawals. And then you need to review all withdrawal details carefully. Once everything looks correct, click the confirm or submit withdrawal. What will happen is you'll be forwarded to your bank page. All I have to do is verify all the information, and please take note processing times may vary depending on your bank, country of residence, withdrawal method. You can monitor the withdrawal status from your transaction history inside the personal area. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to withdraw funds from Exness to a bank account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.